Hi, Rob Fontano here from John Marazzi Nissan. So you're doing a little research on the Toyota Avalon. Well, we all know Toyota makes a fine product, but you've really got to take a look at the 2010 Nissan Maxima. The Maxima has more horsepower than the Avalon. The Maxima has more torque than the Avalon, so we know it performs better. Plus, the Maxima comes with the Xtronic CVT transmission for a much smoother performance. The Maxima has front and rear ventilated disc brakes. The Maxima comes with a power adjustable steering column. The intelligent key is standard, and now Bluetooth is standard as well. The Maxima also has a longer cruising radius. Plus, John Marazzi Nissan will give you a nationwide lifetime warranty with your 2010 Maxima. Unlimited time, unlimited miles. So call us today at 239-643-3800 or visit us on the web at www.marazzinissan.com to schedule your test drive, or just stop by. We're conveniently located at exit 107 off I-75, just one block west, virtually 20 minutes from anywhere in Southwest Florida. John Marazzi Nissan, experience the difference.
For the best deal on a new or used Nissan vehicle, come to John Marazzi Nissan in Naples, Florida, conveniently located off of I-75.